Here, boy.
Good job, Droid.
Round 2.
Droid. Up. Slow down.
You didn't record it.
I did. I recorded the thing.
Round 3.
See how long he can stand up.
This will test his ability to stand on 2 feet.
Remember how he dances?
Alright, stand up. 1, 2,
Go circle.
4,
Circle.
5,
Circle.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Good.
11,
Boy, that's enough.
13, 14, 15, 16,
Tama na nga.
19, 20.
Good boy, Droid.